Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tuko Maria. I am from English Department of Class B 4th semester. In this time, I wanna explain my material about learning media. Learning media is learning media. Media is a technology used to convey information to reception of message. In learning media is a tool for teaching and learning process. Everything that can be used to stimulate the thought, feeling, attention, ability, or skill of the learner so that can occur the learning process. Types of media. Types of media. The first is visual media. The second is audio media, and the last is audio media audiovisual. Visual media is a media that utilizes student vision in learning and in teaching and learning process. Example, poster and cartoon. Poster are the purpose of publication consisting of writing, picture, or combination of the two, providing information to people. And cartoon. Cartoon is a picture with funny appreciation with an event. The second is audio media. Audio media is a learning media that involves the hearing of a student, such as verbal and non-verbal. Example, verbal is people with spoken language, and example non-verbal is radio. Radio is a technology used to send signals through waves emitted from a station. And the last is media audiovisual. Media audiovisual is a media used in learning which student visual and auditory ability in activity. Example learning picture. Learning picture is a recording of someone explain a material in activity. The rule of media in learning. The rule of media in learning. The first is learning media allow direct interaction between student and their environment. The second is media product uniformity of observation, and the media can instill through concrete and realistic basic concept to student. And media generate new desires and media derives new desires and interests. And the last is the media provide an integral comprehensive experience from the concrete to the abstract. Function of media. Function of learning media. Their educative function and social function, economic function, political function, and the last is the function of art and cultural. Educative function. Educative function is that educative function in communication of learning media is that every communication media activity consent and educational nature because it has an educational influence. And social function. Social function of communication media is communication media is communication media provide actual information and experience in various various files of a, an, an experience in various area files of people's social life and economic function in communication media. Is communication media can be used interest can be used is interestfully in the area of trader and industry and in political function. Communication media can function primarily in the political development of both materia and spiritual development. And the last is function of art and cultural. Is communication media a development in the file in the area of art and cultural can be spread through communication media. Benefit of learning media. The first is able to overcome difficult and clarify difficult subject matter. And the second is stimulates children to work and move. The is the move is distinct. Second is stimulate children to work and move the instinct of love of study, learning, creative of strong will to learning something, and help from habits, generate opinion, pay attention, and think about listen. And the last is rise the power of the attention memory serves the sense, trains them, expands and feeling and speech learning and positive impact of online learning media. Positive impact is the first is active participation of students, the first and the second interesting student independent and learning ability and and material that are easier to absorb and reach in learning area already available with material and more conscious consent conscious the meaning is not confined but direct to the subject matter of the subject is needed. And the last, learning can be accessed for 24 hours, meaning that the material in learning can be opened and studied. And of course, there are negative impact too. The of course, there are negative impact too. Negative impacts is the first is difficult understanding the existing system in learning, and the second there is a time limit set by the educator in collecting a segment and independent in learning, and there are the demands from educator to use a learning into its full potensial maksimal secara maksimal and for students whose home are in non-strategic area, it will be difficult to access learning because they because the us no internet in house and the lack of material of computer language causing us difficult in using a learning to its full potential. And the last is student can be frustrated if they cannot access learning optimal because it can affect their grades student leader. Okay, this the okay. I say thank you very much for time, and I say assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.